nim say me fa mo fa letter ni mu ansana
5M
o say we omu issue no 16 next enra blame Nana Akufo-Addo for NPP's embarrassing defeat. We foot soldiers of the New Patriotic Party are deeply saddened, disenchanted, and outraged by the disappointing outcome of the 2024 presidential and parliamentary elections. It is hard to believe how the great NPP, which was the toast of Ghanaians, could suddenly
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The goodwill, okay, all his goodwill, and suffer such a catastrophic defeat of 41% in presidential elections, with a paltry minority seat of less than 100 in parliament. AFA is of the firm conviction that the 7 December verdict by the Ghanaian people was a revolt against the intransigence of President Akufo-Addo, and not a vote against the NPP per se. Dr. Bawumia is just a victim of circumstance who unfortunately became the unintended casualty of the bottled anger of the masses.
Okay, unim evansinkum.
Yeah,
some doso. But unim bra 1 2 3 4 the 5th paragraph no.
It is sad. No,
the 5th one. I say again.
Okay, again.
As to how the president
could virtually keep
virtually
all his appointees, ministers, deputy ministers, CEOs, MMDCs, et al. in same portfolio for 8 years with micro reshuffle begs belief again on popular decision of the president, such as the National Cathedral, DDEP, E-Levy, betting tax, COVID-19, coupled with arrogance. Hey, Sir John Wolf Kraminjai. Sansem we ni ankanwa.
Ene ehu hi.
Me ba sansem we say unim. Sankrofo we say mo.
E was dika sem twi mo de oti ye ntem twi.
Sir John. Ye kasa wa ha. Ye kansem we nyina wa Akoma FM wo kan na edi watem wo kan na ebibi for soldiers. Ni afa ni edi watem. Ye be boycott mo ye anti. Afa alliance for food soldiers advocacy Sankrofo we one of the powerful groups are. And if they are even the most powerful groups that were NPP. No come one NPP shiki. Some people is in a call UTV live program. Say omo a plus a P. Normally not can say me because A plus criticize the government now. Eti are they telling us say Sankoma ko opposition a come who sansem bia ye ka no na eno kra na. E dey nyan kan ha yi levy. Arrogance of power dey nyan kan wa ha o kan na target. Oh, I see.
Nti omo say,
I see.
Omo say, Nana Akufo Akufo na subuo ni nyina.
We mo
omo suo ni nyina de abono.
We mo sa afafo no. Na ekuta base.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de asem na esie no betom. Asem na ba na obetom.
That's a joy no correct.
Na eni am omo bobo so bi no. Appointees are Ukacha na Nana Akufo say, oh, na dey mo adwuma no mo na mo assess wo mo. O say ebedru no ho. O say oso no pa bia.
O say nkofo pa adwuma.
O hye o mayi na mo amokasa ne nyina no.
Mo pa adwuma.
One, mo ye NDC fu amon pese na mamuo no nkofo a ono ye adwuma.
O mo adwuma no ye NDC ni.
Wo mo ni adwuma.
Ono an general secretary no ye NDC ni.
O mo ni adwuma no a mampani do mo ye adwuma no. E na NDC fu pese o mo bowura mu na o mo cause disturbance o na mamuo. Number 2. Meji wasembusa mpese me bo no tofa. Na ewi a wasembusa no de aba. Number 2. Wo mo so akoka ze mampani say wo mo pa adwuma. Nti wo mo ya na ye yi obi no bia benya adwuma wo mo na kasa no. Foot soldiers let's say Ekahubi. Number 2, E-Levy, National Cathedral. Any taxes are hold COVID levy ne arrogance.
Akoma
Omapeni and President elect His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or say Obi akoka chia oyinedi. Chia o. Wabusa say who said chia? Just that. Was say Obiako busa ayi papa no kasa DC the other man can so or kasa mu bi say chia. Enu kwa President John Dramani Mahama ejina so edi nadi akwai ma lady mi amadan for be ye fe ne sen ai o mini papa no lady no
Vicky ama
Vicky Akoma FM 87.9
Vicky say enye so 1 million na account mu
onye ska no na nkabedie
enye se bi o na account mu na ni suade hunu so obenya yi nadi yakohu sika twitwi de obi mpase
ya cholo
ya kleno
watro mampani wie watro krata
yes
kajenzo
ya kleno
o gidi oni mu pase
yes ya kleno sika twitwi de obedi that time na baby na sidi ni nam no senke bi kranka eda wo bank na se obi o Bank of Ghana kra no a kimi so sidi na no kakra ya kleno so John
yes
say bia say NPP
Akoma FM 87.9
ya na party no eye fundraising de boa sometimes bia president no correct me die no my fundraising no mo dia boa presidential candidate no what is o me bi ma ba o me a
de he no mo ko China na 2020
what is o me bi ma ba o me a
me ba o no de he no China de
it was 2020
we the man tibi in fact we the man tibi
na last week cabinet na mo de so mo party
cabinet no de na course no ka
e dey so na na yes na na
Akufo-Addo say
Brian din na be pie mu na
Akufo-Addo say
Brian din na be pie mu na be pie mu say
ampani Adodankwa Akufo-Addo say
ye de na mampani Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ko bo Brian din o cabinet
me on say we me ba
after
ifia me si fia se wote waso na wuti asempa ebeboa me Brian Champo makana se mu fia say oye project nkrofo maka wa happen oye project
seja unim wo de
nkrofo beso mo ye
seja unim wo de
Brian Champo ye project
wa waka say ye beka ho asem
a strategic agenda say Brian wait I'm telling you market 2024 primaries on the call presidential primaries leading to election 2024 Brian Champo contest.
Let me tell you this.
Brian Champo contest.
Baumia eco contest.
It's an agenda.
One person pay. Any fundraising man. Only one person, one individual. And no cry no. When you the blessing of the Jubilee House.
I don't think I'm penny go say. Yenya power nem fama NDC na brand so repeat
yenya power nem fama
the grand agenda
it is obi be catch you say tamwa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or beka say there be ohwe collation na ade no emfa into kwa concede to his excellency John Dramani Mahama na nye pani bi de no
na nye Jubilee House de
oh yes say na o say kan
na nye Jubilee House de kra
Sajon eti no afafo na kasa wie eti mu a da bia Akoma FM na da bia we de mo amfu soldiers na kasa ensem a ye ka ne fie nyina proud to elections o maka no ha ba me de me so disappointed ne say na mo say no kre
87.9 Kumasi
then amount to ye bo am that time
say no no mo ne
na mo say no kre adenti na man to ye bo am at that time because ye butleke ye be kanu kre natural NDC and send me an can NDC for F1 serious
and no mo bless one ye be come so dey
o some dey am 6 months me dey and I say ye am 6 months grace period 6 months ya me aduma say start free after 7 January ai me maka after 6 months no
yeah
that fee ya start so access o mo 120 yi ni nyina no 6 months me as 6 months
na mampani John Dramani Mahama say let's be abehu abontin bi anya no kre na emom so ko so akomo maboa omo a sa arrogance ya nkrofo kan wansemi yemfa bi nkotata wo mo homa adwuma ne din ma wo ndi ebe ko so aka
ya mo already catch mo say isi
minia Jerry
I saw no for you
Jerry Jerry say there ɔyɛ aberanteɛ a ne ho dwo obɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no ɔntwe ma wo deɛ ɔntwe ma wo ɔna yɛ na ɔna yɛ the constituency
ɛna ɔyɛ enlightened so
communication officer
yeah
Jerry say
Akoma FM 87.9
momfa no nkɔ na ɔma MC momfa Jerry nkɔ na ɔma MC adwuma aberanteɛ no ayɛ no ɛna ɔyɛ obi nso a wɔba yɛbɛtuma busa no questions because ɔka ofori kurom ho asɛm
at the point
ɔyɛ demonstrations
yes
na mpanimfoɔ sɔre gyina wohwɛ susu akyi hɔ no mu a fo answer on bɛɛ bridge ne ade no na ɔma bi mɛka sɛ nam ne so
yes ɔma na bɔ gyama ɔma na bɔ gyama
ɛkɔyɛ adwuma nti wabɔ mɔden
yes Jerry nti no
chief of staff so Dr. Support
Dr. Support to be actually did
magajo say wo pe more to Asante region ha there hon also the
fire unifier
so and even central region hon also the fire
right since yemfa voice note ni bin twachiri so entry how many minutes your best 8 minutes but Elisa Ghana traffic ukromo kona koje